Beautiful afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Steve Burnett here from CutThatCableBill.com. Once again, that is CutThatCableBill.com. And ooh boy, I know why you are here today. You are looking for the best IPTV super sale of the century that's under $19. Woo! I'm not even going to waste anybody's time. I'm going to get to everything that you get. First of all, for the $19, you get a free trial, free VPN, HBO, Cinemax, Showtime, Stars, pay-per-view, adult channels, USA, UK, Canada, international, all of your premium sports channels, over 3,000 channels, news, video. You're able to record. We actually have over 100,000 movies on VOD, on demand for you, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, all of that for less than $19. We are doing a sale of the century, but this is what I want you to do to get your free trial. See that code 44444? Send it to the number that you see there. 3 amazing things are going to happen to you. Once again, you're going to get your free trial. You're going to get to talk to a live person, and we're also going to give you a free movie app for over 50,000 movies if you decide not to use our wonderful service. So once again, remember, send that code 44444. And here are a few things also I want to do for you. Maybe I missed a few things, so I'm going to have a description of everything that I just said in the link below. We're also going to have a couple of articles because we're still pretty mad at YouTube TV for raising their rates again, because the whole purpose of us getting to streaming services and cutting that cable bill is to get away from spending over $120 a month for cable. We're going to give you everything you want plus more for less than $19. So once again, send that code 44444 to the number you see there. Read the articles below and make sure I have everything in the description that you want and need. Now, here's what we have that's also beautiful for you. We have a young lady that's going to spend a few minutes and walk you step by step of everything that this beautiful service offers. So you see everything that you get during your free trial, your free VPN, and your free movie app. Once again, this is Steve Burnett from CutThatCableBill.com. I hope to talk to you soon, and you guys stay safe. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, and welcome to Fire TV Sticks. Today I've got another IPTV service to show you. This one is called DG Streams. This one will suit those of you who are looking for live TV channels from the US, Canada and UK, including premium sports, pay-per-view events and movie networks. Entertainment on demand with a good quality VOD library, 24/7 channels and its own built-in VPN that you can use for free. So let's take a look and find out some more about what DG Streams has to offer. I've already mentioned the paid IPTV service that we're going to look at today is called DG Streams. Their web address is showing on screen and in the description below the video, so you can check them out. However, their website is pretty minimal and their service relies on reviews and recommendations. DG Streams unfortunately do not offer a free trial, but are so confident that you will love their service that they offer a 7-day no questions asked refund. Once you've placed an order, you will be instructed during checkout to contact DG Streams by text to request your login details. Text is the preferred method of contact if you are in the US, and immediate support is available through this number 24/7. This number is also available on their website. You should expect your login details within the hour, depending of course on any time zone differences, as DG Streams is based in the US. You will receive all of the relevant information that you need, including your login details, installation instructions for your chosen device, and invitations to join their Discord and Telegram support groups. You can use the DG Streams app, TIViMate, or the Mayfair MT Guide app. DG Streams is available on all major devices. You can install and use DG Streams on your Fire TV device, Android device, iOS, Roku, Windows devices, or through a web browser and on Xbox. With DG Streams, you have a choice to pay for either 2 or 4 connections, and you can use this on any of the devices already mentioned, and these connections are not IP locked. I've got the DG Streams app installed on my Amazon 4K Fire Stick, but don't forget you can choose to use an IPTV player such as TIViMate or Mayfair TV Guide. Let's go and take a look. This app has a real simple and easy to use layout. You've got all of your options available right from the home screen. So let's start off by talking about live TV and what it's got to offer. So with DG Streams, you'll have access to over 3,000 HD channels from the US, Canada, UK adult channels, 24/7 channels, premium sports channels and premium movie channels. There are also international channels that you can access through DG Streams. When you click on Live TV, you'll be taken to a new layout that looks like this. So you've got a list of categories on the left hand side. Let's take a look and see what those categories are. So you've got a favourites section, recently searched channels, USA entertainment channels, premium movie networks, news networks, kids, MLB, NBA, NFL, NHL, Fox and NBC Sports, ESPN and ESPN Plus, Big Ten Network, Pac-12 networks, pay-per-view events, 24/7 sections, and you've also got all of your US local network channels. You've got music entertainment, NBC Sports Gold, Caribbean, Philippines, Mexico, 24/7 Latino channels, Canadian entertainment and sports channels, UK premium movies, UK kids. You've also got the English Football League and the English Premier League channels, UK sports, UK entertainment, Africa, Australia, Latino entertainment channels, Thailand, Peru. You've also got a section for low bandwidth channels and urban entertainment and an adult section. So there really is a lot on offer with DG Streams. You can then select any category from this list and this will display the channels that were in that category. And you can add any channel to your favourites just by highlighting it, then pressing and holding the centre button of your remote control, which will make the star icon appear on the channel thumbnail. So you know that channel has been added to your favourites and you can easily access your favourites section from this menu. When you click on any channel, you'll be taken to a new view where here you can watch your selected channel in small screen whilst you flick through the other channels within that category. You'll see also a mini EPG as you scroll through the channels. With the mini EPG, you can see what's airing now and what's coming up in the next couple of hours. From here, you can also switch categories by pressing left or right on your remote control. And then to watch any channel in full screen, just highlight it and select it from the list. I checked a lot of channels and they really were in great HD quality and streamed near enough perfectly with minimal or no lag or buffering issues. However, with the free VPN connected, my speeds were significantly slower and I did get some buffering issues. To scroll through the channels, just click up or down on your remote control to change the channel. You can press the center button of your remote control to bring up some information on the bottom of the screen. So you can check what's on now and next. You also have the option to turn on subtitles by clicking on the closed caption button. However, subtitles did not work for every channel. However, when they did work, I did find that it worked well and it is a good feature of DG Streams as not all IPTV services provide subtitles for live TV channels. So the live TV section with DG Streams is really good in particular because you not only do you have your basic cable channels, but you also have premium entertainment and movie channels, loads of sports channels and sports networks, including those from Fox, NBA TV, ESPN and the English Football and Premier Leagues. You also have pay-per-view events, a great selection of 24/7 channels, and if you're looking for adult content, you have a selection here too. And you can lock this section down by accessing parental settings. Now let's take a look at the EPG. Now at the top, you can select which category to browse the EPG from by pressing the previous or next buttons. The EPG is really easy to navigate with your remote control, and highlighting over any program will show you a description at the top. You can scroll across the EPG and view programming information available up to 24 hours in advance. The EPG does work really well in the DG Streams app for the US and Canadian channels. The EPG does work better for other channels if you are using DG Streams with an IPTV player. But using the DG Streams app with the channels that the EPG works really well for, there are some really cool features that you can take advantage of. If you press and hold over any program, you'll get a pop-up menu where you can select to schedule a recording or set a program reminder. So I'm going to do that now, set a program reminder. I get a pop-up on screen confirming that that's been done. I'm also going to schedule a recording so that I can show you that later on within the recordings section. That's confirming that my recording has been scheduled successfully. You will need to be aware though that recording does take up a lot of space, so you will need to make sure that you have adequate storage to be able to use the record feature of the DG Streams app. And because you've got two connections, you can record a program whilst watching another live TV channel. DG Streams has got a really great video on demand library of over 50,000 movie and TV show titles to choose from, and this is being worked on right now and is set to double in quantity. All content is in great quality that you can load with just one click, and it is in great buffer-free quality too. You can access the video on demand content with the DG Streams app through the VOD section for movies and the series section for TV shows. You've also got a multi-stream option, so you can watch 2 or 4 live TV channels simultaneously depending on your subscription, and it works really well. So just select the multi icon from the home screen. I've got 2 connections available to me, so I'm going to click on the layout icon and choose 2 screens. Then on my first screen, just press the plus button, add your channel, tap across to the second frame where you can also click on the add button and then choose a different channel. You can choose from which stream to have audio from by highlighting the frame and then unmuting the mute icon, then your sound will be coming from that frame or that channel. I will say again that the live TV channels are in very good quality and you can get a really good experience watching TV with DG Streams. You've also got a catch-up section which you can also access from the home screen. Now with DG Streams, currently there are 85 popular US movie and entertainment channels that offer a catch-up for the previous 24 hours. Just select the channel, then click down and select your show. It really is simple and easy to use. Now going back to the home screen, if you remember when we were in the EPG, we set a program reminder. So you can access all of your reminders by clicking on the clock icon in the top corner of the screen. You'll also get a pop-up appear on screen when any program reminders that are set are due to start. With any program reminders that have passed, you can just select it and then choose to remove it. Okay, now going back to the home screen, the next option that we've got across the top of the screen is the record icon. So here is where we can access and watch all of our scheduled recordings. So at the top you can see that you can select a location. At the moment currently I've only got internal storage that I can choose from. However, when I did attach an external storage device and record to it, this function did not work for me. However, you guys might have better luck depending on your device and your external storage. So from along the top you can also see your scheduled recordings. Then you can choose My Recordings to view and access recordings that have already taken place. To watch your recording, just select it from the list, hit the center button, choose whether you want to remove this recording or play. So once you click play, your recording will automatically start playing. To exit playback, just click the back button on your remote control. Then you can click on the show again once you've watched it and then select the remove button so you can free up space on your storage. If you do not have enough storage space, your recordings will fail. The same also if you're trying to set multiple recordings at the same time. You can only record simultaneously if you have more than 2 connections with your subscription. The next option across the top of the screen is the VPN option. Now if you remember at the beginning of the video, I did tell you that DG Streams does come with and provide a completely free VPN for you to use. So just select it from here and you'll need a username and password. You will need separate login information to be able to connect to the VPN, and you can request the login details through any of their support networks. You can also set it to auto-connect whenever you open up the app, so you don't have to remember to turn the VPN on. When it is connected, you can return to the home screen and the VPN icon will be highlighted in green to indicate that the VPN is connected and running. There are also a few useful options that you can access from the settings. You can change the default player for live TV, movies and series, so you might want to do that, for example, if you want subtitles with any content from the VOD library. If you load the content with VLC player, you can search manually online for subtitles. You can also access parental controls from here too. It's got a default password and you will need to contact them if you want to change it. You can select any category from within the live TV, VOD and series section to lock down. So just highlight over the option that you want to lock down. So let's say you want to lock the adult channels down, click over it and the padlock icon will appear indicating that that section is now locked. So you will need a password, which is the default password, to access any of the channels from within this section. You can also run a speed test from within the settings. So you might want to do this if you're having any issues streaming with buffering or lag. You can run the speed test from here to check if your speed is an issue. You need at least 10 megabits per second to be able to stream well and consistently with minimal lag or buffering. If you have any issues at all, you can contact DG Streams, who provide excellent 24/7 customer service through text message, Telegram, Discord, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Plus, every month, a free NVIDIA Shield TV is given away to one of their subscribers.